Hey guys, so yeah, my bad. Totally didn't pay attention to the fact that I didn't flip the camera. I want to let you guys know that this is the second one I'm making for the second example of work. So again, just to keep you guys in the loop, this is Pythagorean Theorem word problems. We're going to do 2 of the 7 word problems just to get most of the work out of the way. But again, I'm doing this a couple of examples. Please make sure you pause it if you need time. Please make sure you're answering the question fully, and I will be showing you how to answer the question in the digital format on the Illuminate program. Alright, so here we go. Good to see you. Glad you guys checked in. Comment if you like. I don't really care. This is only the second video I've made. I'm not going fancy. Alright, here we go. Flip the camera. That's what we need to do. Alright, so here we go. Let's start off with the number 1. It says the bottom of a ladder must be placed 3 feet from a wall. The ladder is 10 feet long. How far above the ground does the ladder touch the wall? Now again, we are doing Pythagorean theorem. We need the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. But again, if this is a wall and the ladder is 3 feet from the wall and the ladder is 10 feet long, right? This is my C. This is my long side. This would be my A. This is my short side, which makes the wall my B. So again, if I use the formula above, 3 squared plus the B squared that I don't know is equal to the 10 squared. 9 plus B squared equals 100. Minus 9 from both sides. B squared equals 91. And in the general concept, there is no 91. Like if I try to break down 91, I can get 7 and 13, but those are both prime. So I just changed the answer. Basically, the answer would be the radical form. Again, when you have the b squared, you need the square root, which is the opposite of the format of the square. So this changes easily. B equals the square root of 91. And in the digital format on the Illuminate, you would write rad 91, one word, one whole. Okay? Pause the video if you need to see this for longer so you could take notes. Pause this if you need help. We are going to be jumping down to do one that looks a little bit more like number 5. So again, let's take a look at number 5. Again, I would hope one of my wonderful students out there is reading this out loud to themselves, because again, you have to read the whole word problem to understand it. How many times do you have to read a word problem? Thank you for saying 3 times. Here we go. Now, the diagonal of a rectangle is 25 inches. That means I got to draw a rectangle first. And I have to know what diagonal means. Diagonal means going across, and that's 25 inches. The width is 15 inches. Width being wide. Then I'm talking about the height being unknown. Now, here's my triangle. I'm not worried about this part. I'm worried about the Pythagorean of the triangle. Again, being sure you know the formula. Go back to the first example if you need to see it again. X squared plus 15 squared is 25 squared. X squared plus 125 is equal to 625. X squared is equal to 500. Now again, being able to know how to calculate, take the radical, take the radical. Now I got to do all this side work over here for the 500. Okay, I'm going to go sideways because I don't have enough space to go down. 100, 10, 10, and that's a 5. Again, that's a 2, that's a 5, that's a 2, that's a 5. I'm going to write it all together. X equals the radical 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. These two are friends, they get to go outside. These two are friends, they get to go outside. So then the answer then changes to 2 times 5 radical 5, which then changes to 10 radical 5. And again, if I had to type this into Illuminate, it would be the number 10 rad 5, and this is how I complete my answer. I hope those 2 examples were helpful. Good luck, you guys. I'm going to load one more before the end of the day.